Ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks you need to complete in a day? From grocery lists to work assignments, managing personal tasks can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. But what if there was a tool that could streamline all these tasks, making your day-to-day life more organized and less stressful? That's where Asana comes in. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, one that keeps track of all your tasks, big or small, and helps you manage your time more efficiently. That's what Asana is, a robust task management tool designed to help you stay organized and on top of your game. Setting up Asana for personal use is easy. First, create an account on the Asana website. All you need is an email address. Once you've confirmed your account, you're ready to start organizing your life. First, create a new project. This could be anything from groceries to work assignments. Now, within this project, you can add tasks. For example, if you're setting up a grocery list, each item on your list would be a different task. You can assign due dates to your tasks, ensuring you never forget a deadline. Plus, Asana allows you to prioritize your tasks, so you know exactly what needs to be done first. Asana also allows you to divide your tasks into subtasks, making big, overwhelming tasks seem more manageable. For example, if you have a task titled Plan Birthday Party, you could divide it into subtasks like send invitations, buy decorations, and so on. One of the best features of Asana is its ability to integrate with other apps. You can link your Asana account with your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss a task or deadline. Now, what happens when you complete a task? Simply check the box next to it. Asana will move it to your list of completed tasks, giving you a sense of satisfaction and progress. To summarize, Asana is a powerful tool that can help you manage your personal tasks more efficiently. By setting up a project, adding tasks, assigning due dates and priorities, dividing tasks into subtasks, and integrating with other apps, you can streamline your life and stay on top of your game. Remember, the key to effectively using Asana is consistency. Make it a habit to check your Asana account every day, and you'll soon find that managing your tasks becomes second nature. So why not give Asana a try? It could be the personal assistant you've always needed, helping you navigate the maze of daily tasks with ease and efficiency. It's time to take control of your tasks and reclaim your peace of mind. With Asana, you're always in command.